Hi everyone, my name is Bernhard and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Busuu. We just moved over to really cool new offices, so I thought I'd just give you a little tour. So here you see our new kitchen area with a lot of breakout space, a lot of space to have breakfast and lunch. Here we have our brand new auditorium where we hold our all-hands meetings, and we also can organize events and meetups. Below here we have the working area with the engineering team and product. A bit more breakout space over here. Well, a few things we still have to hang up here, like our screens, etc. It's the product team, education. There are more meeting rooms here. And now, as you can see already in the back, there's actually the best part of our offices, which is an amazing new terrace. Let's have a look. Yeah, and there's even sun here in London, as you can see. So this is our impressive new space here. So as you know, we're still hiring, so feel free to check out our website, and it would be a pleasure to welcome you soon in our team. Bye.